why God loves cowboys. I believe there's a place in his heart. 'Cause when the herd needs tending, fences need mending, he knows they'll work hard on his great big ranch called life. 'Cause they love and take care of all his creations, from the horses they ride to those broken-hearted honky-tonk angels. Ooh, that's why God loves cowboys. He knew they'd need room to breathe and freedom, so he gave them Texas and those big Montana skies. He was there when he